Welcome to episode 3 of the Bilal Rehman Studio Office Series. This is a space that you guys actually have not been able to see yet because it used to be jam-packed with a whole bunch of random ass shit, but this is our massive kitchen. This kitchen is about to take a complete facelift and we are changing everything about it to give it that Bilal touch, of course. The floors have already been done, but they are covered so that they can be protected while everything else is being changed out. This entire shitty, dingy kitchen is going to go black with black marble and black sinks and just a shit ton of black. That is literally what we're doing. We're doing a coffee station, a whole bunch of stuff that I cannot wait for you to see, probably in episode 4, I think. And all the walls are gonna get a facelift, the lighting is gonna get redone in here. So this place is about to take new form. Walking out of the kitchen and back into the gallery space, you have seen this space already, but a few things have happened since our last episode. The walls have been edited a little bit. We made some changes. This is the checkout desk, which is now sitting in the position that it is going to permanently be in. This is getting covered in something that is absolutely to die for. I cannot wait to show you what it is in the next episode. This wall, the electrical has gone in, and I can't say much else about it, but this is going to take form very soon. And then coming around, this is my heaven. Literally, are you fucking kidding me? Like a magenta room. If you know me, you know that this is my spirit color and also the color of the year. So I am absolutely in love with this space. I decided to take the magenta and really fucking run with it. We have it floor, ceiling, moldings, doors, everywhere you can possibly imagine in this space. There's custom drapery that's gonna go in here that matches the color of the walls. I mean, this space is really taking form. And actually yesterday, we had a meeting with our friends over at FAO and Design to come up with an insane idea for this space that I cannot wait to share with you guys. This is going to be the room that you all want to come take pictures in because this is going to be a space unlike anything you've ever seen, not only in Houston, but even outside of Houston. And then of course, walking through the beautiful double doors that are now magenta. I cannot believe that I get to walk through this every time I walk into the office. Into, again, the white and black studio space. So this is where all the shit was in the kitchen. It has now moved here because we are officially done. And you kind of see the floors. They look like shit because we've been walking on them all day in dust and construction. But this is what the floors are like throughout the entire space. So once they're cleaned and polished, they're gonna look so incredible. I hope this is the color that some of you picked because I know that in episode 1, I think, we gave you 4 different options and we were wavering between blue and black, but I'm so glad that we went with black. It's such a classic, timeless look. And honestly, it's so perfect for the Bilal Rehman Studio aesthetic. Like, I couldn't have asked for a better selection. All the walls are simply white by Benjamin Moore. You know Benjamin Moore is our favorite paint, so obviously I have to use them everywhere in this space. And the library is all black, which of course I'm obsessed with. This is actually what we've been working on all day today. We've organized all the drawers with all of the materials and hung up some of the samples. We still have like 400 samples that we have to hang up and deal with, but for now, this is progress for day 1. The drapery has gone up, the books have gone up, and yeah, this place is coming to shape. The bathrooms have also been painted. This is not the permanent style or design, but this is a temporary fix. One thing you'll see is that we added in this molding on the doors, and the doors have gone this lacquer white, which I'm obsessed with. It kind of looks like a piano, but white, and that's just so pretty. The walls have gone white, the ceiling has gone black. Nothing crazy in here. Of course, we're doing black toilets. We already had a conversation about this. If you haven't seen the last video, then what the fuck have you been doing with your time? But the black toilets are a must. And yeah, so that's basically the update for episode 3 of the Office series. Episode 4, you're gonna get a much more finished look, I'm sure. By that time, a lot more will be done. And hopefully we will see you all in person in the gallery very soon. So until next time, remember to elevate everyday experiences. This has been your favorite luxury interior designer. Now get the fuck out of here.